please, I would like to get some insights from your side first. So I would
Definitely.
like to request you, would you please walk me through about your introduction? Yeah.
Definitely. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pranalini. I'm a mother and homemaker. Apart from this, I recently started my YouTube channel. It's Mummy English Club, where I upload my English conversational video and English content. Whatever I am learning, I am uploading over there. That's the thing I am doing. That's pretty much about me, and definitely I would like to know something about you.
Yeah, I would also be elated to tell you something about me. So this side Lalit, I come all the way from Uttar Pradesh, and it's been nearly 7+ years to me. I have been consecutively working in private organizations. So this is all about me in nutshell, and it's been around like 2+ years to me into this language. And I also run a YouTube channel by the name of English Optimization with Lalit.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
it's all about me. Yeah, thank you.
So, sir, if you have any kind of topic for discussion, I would like to go for it.
Okay, so actually, whenever I discuss any particular thing with somebody, so I always come up with the random questions. So
Mhm.
same thing, if you do not have any topic to discuss on, then I'm gonna break the ice on some random questions. If you feel like comfortable, you can give the answer. Otherwise, you can skip the questions as well.
Okay, okay. Definitely, I would like to answer all the questions.
Hmm.
Go ahead.
Okay. So before diving into the session, I would definitely like to know more something about you. So first of all, I would like to know this thing that it's like this is our first conversation where we are having discussion. So I would like to know something about this thing that when did you kick off your journey for the first time in this language, and how long it has been that you have been exerting to prevail this language?
Okay, so if I come to this language, then actually I was good at this language since my school time. But it's been 10 years of my
Okay.
marriage. Somewhere I was totally engrossed in my family, kids, and at all. So I don't get so much time for myself. I only get 1 hour in a day. So I want to use this hour in productive manner. That's why I'm on this platform. And I really don't get time to learn anything else. The two things I always do, it's listening and speaking whenever I get time. So, yes,
Okay.
I would like to be a proficient speaker, but it will take time because right now I don't have so much time as a mother of toddler because my younger one is only 2.5 year old. That's why.
Now these days, everybody is having a couple of tidy work completely. So it happens to me as well that whenever I feel like that I should find out some unoccupied time to have sessions with the people, as I have just mentioned this thing that I also have been working in a private organization, so it is also harder to crack for me to find out some unoccupied time to have sessions with the people. But yeah, when we are much enthusiastic to learn this language and we want to be much proficient in this language, so we have to have a consecutive practice so that we'll be able to keep the momentum continue and we'll be able to grow by leaps and bounds in this language actually.
Yeah, definitely. Because whenever you want to learn any skill, it's not all about English. It's all about
Hmm.
any skill that you want to learn. Then it demands resilience, patience, hard work, determination. There are so many things we want. So yeah, right now, actually, I always want to do so many things. Like whenever I get time, I usually learn other skills as well. But right now, because as a mother of toddler, I am totally engrossed myself into this language because there is my mindset. This I have limited time, so I am not going to
Hmm.
learn any other thing rather than this language.
That is quite meritorious that you have been finding out some time and you have been spending that time on this language. Now, these days, it is quite prevalent that those who are able to articulate themselves in the better version, they are always given preference that he or she is the person who can articulate himself in the better version, right? So
Definitely.
you have opted for the, a great thing that you have decided that now you have to vanquish this language and you already are fluent in this language, but you are just brushing up your skills. That is fine.
Yeah, right now I'm trying to brushing up my skill, and somewhere I find that whenever I find that yeah I'm making mistake, I try to eradicate or mitigate all the mistake throughout my journey. That's
Yeah,
the thing
we always,
I do.
when people ask to me like how we should demolish all the mistakes whichever we are making while speaking. So I always say them that it's a part of communication, it's a part of progress. It means that you are okay to bring sobering transformations in your communication if you're making mistakes. And if you're able to introspect those things that these kind of flaws you're having in your communication right now, so uh, try to eradicate all those mistakes from your communication all the time. And if you are
Yes.
just putting your body and soul to like dispel all the mistakes from your communication, so one or the other day you'll be able to vanquish all the mistakes whichever you are making while speaking. It happens
Yeah.
actually. It
Yeah.
happens with everybody, including me. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it actually it's natural. Sometimes what people do
Hmm.
whenever they find like we are making mistake, on that time they started hesitating and they give up. So
Exactly. Yeah.
give up is not a solution, because if you are fumbling, if you are stuck somewhere, so try to overcome. Don't give up.
Hmm.
I would like to say one thing, because everyone start from scratch. Everyone not
Exactly.
start from advanced level. Everyone is start from zero,
Hmm.
and after hard work and patience, they reached at that level that we call fluent level or we call advanced level. So yes, if you want to
Hmm.
be fluent, you will have to keep patience. Sometimes people what think we will learn this language within 1 month or 2 months. No, it's not an overnight process. You will have to put your 100% efforts towards this language. So if I comes to me, then I, as a mother toddler, I don't get so much time. But whenever I get time in upcoming future, I would like to engross myself into this language, and definitely I am enjoying it. Actually, I am not learning this like a language. I am learning this like a skill, a new skill, and like a friend of
Hmm.
mine. This kind of thing I'm doing.
Yeah, I can definitely witness that excitement in you, that now you are too much enthusiastic at this English language, because and I'm pretty much sure that you are definitely gonna grow in this language. And apart from this, okay, one thing I would like to ask from your end, and that is like now these days people are witnessing many things on social media. Like when we have couple of acquaintances, so we are witnessing their great moment of life. So according to you, at that moment of time when we are witnessing the people's happy or delighted moment, so that time we have some kind of misery and envy in our heart. So how we can tackle with that particular misery and envy whatever we are having after witnessing the journey of the people, that they have got the success, and still we have to have hustles, a lot of hassles in our life. Yeah, how do you perceive this thing?
Okay, so if I come to this thing, actually, whatever you are saying, you are right. People who are right now taste of success, definitely they must have gone through a lot of things in their life, because success is not a something that you will get in a overnight and you will get in 1 second in a moment. Definitely they must have sacrificed a lot. After that they taste it. So if somebody, like if we see somebody is on their peak level, so we will have to see this thing as well. Yeah, definitely. She or he put so much efforts and so many sacrifices they have done in their past. So yes, we will
Mhm.
have to learn this thing as well from them. Whatever people are doing
Mhm.
right now and getting like success and tasting success at it.
Okay, so yeah, definitely quite great explanation you have given here. I would also like to spill the beans about my things, like how do I perceive this particular thing. So actually, when we witness people's delighted life, so that time we always feel like that I have innumerables of shortcomings in my life. I need to make more money. I need to burn the candles at both ends. Then I'll be able to get everything. So we always feel like that after witnessing people's movement, we always feel like that now we are not having anything in our life. We are just nothing. We are just waste of space. So instead of focusing on those things, like we need people, and we are witnessing the people's movement in our life, and how the people are enjoying their life, we should focus on our things, like how we are doing, what we are doing actually in our life, right? If when it comes to learning this language, we always witness this thing that some of the people, those who are too much sophisticated speaker, and we just directly listen to them, and we ruminate about this thing that we should speak this language like this in one go. As you just mentioned, that movements are fleeting now these days, and we can't achieve or prevail this language overnight, right? So we have to have perseverance in this language whenever we are working on this language particularly. So all the time we need to distance ourselves from the people's delighted movement, and if we are witnessing people's delighted moments, so we always need to hold our emotions, like people are getting those things and we are not able to get those things. So stop. We need to deter this comparison which we are doing actually undeliberately. We don't want to do that deliberately, like we don't want to do that comparison deliberately. But yeah, unfortunately, uh, that analogy is being done by our our by our done by our brain particularly. So we need to stall all these things, and we need to just go forward into our future, and we should be taking great actions which are going to help us to get the great career growth in our life. So we'll be able to get everything whichever the people are getting right now, because they are successful and we are just witnessing the successful moment of their life. We are not witnessing the struggleful or the hurdleful moment of their life.
Exactly.
Everybody does put on the status those were happy moment, those were delighted moment. Nobody puts on the status those were related to the struggle or the hard work.
Yes, yes, yes. I am agree with you. You have kept a
Hmm.
very nice point actually, because we don't see their hurdles, obstacles, and struggles. We always see whatever they have achieved. So we should see all
Hmm.
the criteria and all the perceptions. We should not create a room where we are only seeing their success and their enjoyment and their happy life. We should see their struggle, their failures, because failure is also part of our life. That's the thing I would like to
Exactly, yeah.
mention here. I am totally
Hmm.
agree with your
So how
point
do
here.
you how do you perceive like failures? As you just mentioned a word failure, how do you perceive failure and what we should learn from them, and how we can confront the failures in a great manner, so that whenever we are getting scattered from in our life, so how we can just pull ourselves together.
Okay, so if I come to failure, then it's a very small word, but it hold lot of thing in our life. Actually,
Hmm.
sometimes whenever we fail in anything or any field, so we think, yeah, we cannot do it. It's not our cup of tea. So no, we should not think like that. We should put our 100% efforts. Like if you want to get success, failure is part of your life. If you see so many celebrities or influencer, they always mention the one
Hmm.
thing, that if you want to be successful, then you definitely come across a lot of failures. Like you can listen Priyanka Chopra and Shah Rukh Khan's statement. Earlier, they were failures, but over time and after passing the time, they brush up their self, and still they are
Hmm.
getting failures, they are getting success, but they are consistent. They do not stop working. They consistently working on their field. Sometimes what we do, whenever we cannot get success in any field, so we should think, I think I should drop it. It's not my genre, it's not my niche. So no, we should not. Firstly, what we do, whenever we see someone is very famous and someone is getting success in this field, we should go this field. Either this field related to our passion, or related to our like what should I say, related to our genre, but we pick it. But somewhere after failure, we think, no, it's not my cup of tea. If you are going and if you're picking some field or some skill, try to put your 100%. Sometimes it happens your like your destiny, your fortune also work, your luck also work, but you just try your 100%, you just put your 100% efforts. After that you just leave everything on your luck because somewhere I feel that luck is matter. Sometimes people
Exactly.
get
Yeah.
see people get success like some efforts, but sometimes people put their 100% efforts and they are doing hard work. After that they are not getting success, so sometimes it's luck also matter for me. I don't know what's your
Yeah.
perception towards it, what's your thought procedure towards it, but yeah, this is my perception that I would like to mention
No,
here.
it actually happens for everybody, not only with you, because those who are from the Hindu community, they always believe on Allah and all these things, right? I have personally witnessed this thing that a couple of people, those who were just behind, just for a couple of numbers in an examination, and I was just witnessing those things, I was like considering this thing now his luck is not working. Therefore, he's not able to get prolific result in this particular thing. Otherwise, he must have got he would have definitely got couple of responses from the luck side as well. So now he is losing in luck. Therefore, he's not able to get everything. Yeah. So after putting, we can say like, how do I perceive? I'm telling you, how do I perceive luck? Like, does it work or not for the people? So as per my opinion, first we need to, put our body and soul in a process particularly. After putting our hard work, after dueling down in each and everything, and when we are not able to get something, it means our luck is not doing well. Then we need
Yes.
to perceive this thing like this. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Because we need hope when we are getting abundance of failures. We need hope to work on those particular things periodically. If we do not have luck, if we are not believing on this thing that this time my luck didn't work, but next time it will work. If we are not
Yeah.
considering this thing, so after getting failures,
Mhm.
we'll be able to we'll be considering ourselves debilitated or feeble all the time, and we'll be thinking out this thing that we are completely waste of a space and we have devastated our whole time whichever we have put on that particular thing which we wanted to vanquish actually. So if we have luck, so we have second hope like God. We have God. Ultimately, when we get some failures in something, so we always feel like that God has decided something better for us.
Yes, 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 yes. Actually,
Yes. So these are a couple
Mhm.
of things. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, you are rightly mentioned this thing. I agree with you because
Hmm.
somewhere if we are uh, doing hard work and after that we are not getting proper result, so we should not give up. Yeah,
Hmm.
sometimes luck and fortune work, but we should try one, not once, twice, thrice, or many times that you can do. After that,
Yes.
you will get
Yes. Yes.
result.
Yes.
Sometimes it happens
But yeah.
because
Yeah. But
mhm.
yeah. It breaks the.
Yeah,
it breaks the enthusiasm of the people all the time when we
yeah,
get
exactly.
failures.